Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create BCC Twirl Effect or Whirl Effect in Filmora application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application and I'm going to apply the whirl transition or the twirl transition to this video. First thing first, we can go to the transition and we just need to search for the whirl transition. Okay, just like that, and there will be some transitions we can apply to create the BCC Twirl Effect. But wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and here as you can see guys that there are some transitions we can apply to our video, and I'm going to try it one by one like this. I think I'm gonna go with this one guys, whirl clockwise. I'm just going to add it to my project. I'm going to select my clip and then I'm just going to add it right here, and I'm just going to place it on the transition. Okay, and this is the final result. I'm going to play the video to show you the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create BCC Twirl or Whirl Effect in Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.